Several years ago, life through my eyes had only sunny days, green grass, and small playgrounds. Back there, I was all day long with my best friend. We had known each other since babies, and we grew up almost as brothers. We used to spend hours just talking about silly stuff and playing. But destiny decided that we are not meant to stay together forever. Without noticing it, we woke up in different sides of the world. I was in the light one, and he was in the not so good side. I remember feeling alone and very sad. I didn't know what was going on. I couldn't accept life without my best friend, without my brother. I had no choice. I had to continue my way and leave him behind, and he had to do the same thing. I never lost hope, even though distance was between us. I just wanted him to call me, send a letter, but that never happened. I grew up, met new people, went to new places. My life changed completely, but I never forgot where I come from. Once in a while, I remember us as children. He will never guess how much I miss him and how important he was for me. I will never find somebody like him. Friendship has a meaning for me since then. I want to thank him for all the fun, the laughs, the smiles. Childhood is the sweetest part of me. I hope that once in a while he also recalls me as I do him. As years pass, all we have left are memories. We are not the same children we were years ago. Maybe one day we will see each other again in that playground, even if there are no sunny days or green grass left. I will never lose hope because a goodbye can be less painful if you're going to say hello again.